Joshie, are we gonna get on the boat?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, how about in the middle?
Jasmine! Jasmine, where's your face? Look at her camera. Being silly. Text me where they're going, so.
At all times and don't worry, folks.
Jasmine, no, Jasmine. Don't do that. She turned around too fast.
Transported to a magical place called Storybook Land. Ooh, it appears with Monstro's magic, we have tripled in size, making everything around us look miniature. That just makes our journey to Storybook Land so much easier. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who made 3 houses to keep out the big bad wolf. We have a house made of straw, a magical giant duck, a house made of sticks, and a house made of wolf-proof bricks. And no matter how hard the big bad wolf fought, he just couldn't get in. Not by the hair of their chinny chin. Ooh, that rhymes. Now going just around the riverland to a quaint English town where a little girl named Alice lived. One magical golden afternoon, Alice chased a white rabbit down the rabbit hole to a wondrous place called Wonderland. And to the right is the magical London Park where Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling first flew to the second star to the right to a place that they never ever have to grow up called Neverland. And straight ahead is the beautiful city of Agrabah, a city of mystery and enchantment where a street rat named Aladdin bumped into his true love Jasime. And although they were from 2 different worlds, they now live happily ever after in that beautiful Sultan's palace on top of the hill, which is not too far from us. And if you look to the left, it's the train Casey Jr. about to go down the track inspired by the movie Dumbo. It looks like they're packing up their train, they're about to take their circus to another town.
Joshie! John, don't put your hand in the water, bud.
Up above you are the sparkling arches where Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways and under, on a magical carpet ride to a whole new world. And speaking of Jasmine, if you look to the left and right, these flowers are actually jasmine flowers, which smell very beautiful.
Jasmine flowers. That's Jasmine. Yeah, my daughter named Jasmine. Yeah. I know.
Legend has it if you rub that genie's lamp and set him free, you are granted 3 magical wishes. I wish for a pile of treasure to show up on the right-hand side. Oh, what do you know? It came true. Snow White wished for a safe passage through the woods to escape the evil queen, and she did just that by staying in the cute cottage to the right, owned by the 7 dwarfs. So we're in that little mine over there in the corner by the waterfall. And to the left, Cinderella wanted to go to the ball, but her stepmother debated. But with the help of her magical fairy godmother, she traveled to the ball and the stagecoach turned pumpkin, wore a beautiful blue dress and a pair of black slippers. And now Cinderella and her Prince Charming live happily ever after in that beautiful pink castle on top of the hill. And while we wait for our friends in front of us to get a little ahead of us past that bridge, let's enjoy this beautiful shade for a few seconds.
Oh.
Never grow up.
That's a duck.
Right, magical blue wall is. You can see the poster of Casey Jr. Circus's main attraction, Dumbo the Flying Elephant. Now, we have many magical adventures here in Storybook Land.
Joshie,
Like
Jasmine.
or Princess Tale like Cinderella, we have a magical wacky tale called Wind in the Willows with Mole Rat and Mr. Toad who live in that stately manor to your left by the riverside. Unfortunately, Mr. Toad is not home right now because he's in his motor cart on a wild ride and nowhere in particular. And straight ahead is the magical kingdom of Arendelle, inspired by the movie Frozen with Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. To the left, you can see their castle that big, their ships at anchor, and when Elsa first fled Arendelle, she fled into the snowy North Mountain and made herself a beautiful ice palace that took a mere 3 minutes and 39 seconds. And straight ahead is the magical Alpine village where Geppetto wished upon a star to make his puppet Pinocchio a real boy. And if you look to the left, it's the Wander Oakish trading boats where Anna and Kristoff first met. Ooh, and Swan. Little fish without a many fairy tales like one that let a little mermaid named Ariel sprout legs and become part of our world in the castle. To the right with Prince Eric. However, Ariel's story began under the sea, an underwater city on that land because you can see to the left under the waterfall. But now she lives happily ever after with Prince Eric and the castle by the shore. Now, folks, as our story comes to a close, we ask you to please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, fingers inside the boat at all times, and please stay seated until after.
Yay, Joshie, Jasmine, we
and after
done.
3, we will all stand up together, balance out the boat, and avoid slipping. But on behalf of all our storytellers here at Storybook Land,
Jasmine! Jasmine, cheese! Jasmine!